Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a gift card to Ticketmaster app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so from here I'm going to open up my Ticketmaster app, and now I'm just going to add a random bunch of tickets or a random ticket to my cart. So I'm just going to search for some music tickets that's in my area. So I'm going to scroll down here. Going to click on the Human Nature tour. All right, I'm going to click on this one here from March the 25th. All right, I'm just going to click this here, then get tickets. All right, now it's going to redirect me to the checkout where we can add the gift card. So just going to hang on a few moments here while it does its thing. All right, now it's going to say add to order. So if I scroll down here, I'm just going to go ahead and click onto next. Now I'm going to choose mobile, no additional charge. Click next again. Now this should take me to the checkout section where I can add my payment details. All right, it's at the payment details. So from here, if we scroll down, there'll be an option here to add gift cards or a promo code. So go ahead and click on the blue add gift card number, and now add your gift card number in here, and then go ahead and click on apply. And then whatever that gift card amounts to would be deducted off the total order. So I think these tickets here are about 200 bucks. So if this gift card was for $100, I would have to pay the remaining balance using my credit or debit card by putting in my card number, card type, etc., etc. Then head back down here, and they'll go ahead and click on apply because you're going to apply that gift card. And then scroll down again, and then go ahead and place order as you normally would.